Hello and welcome to Luscombe Motors walk around video Eclipse 3 that we have in stock. 19 plate, one of the last ones that we had this. It's in a beautiful colour called Diamond Red. £750 optional extra that paintwork, and you will agree it does look absolutely stunning in this sunlight. You've got the bigger 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels on this one. With this being the 3, it's the middle of the road one. So over and above you've got front and back parking sensors. You've got a built-in SDA unit which runs Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's also got a heads-up display, heated front seats, front collision mitigation, cruise control. And I think you'll agree it does look absolutely stunning in this colour. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to walk around, take you inside the car and show you all the standard equipment. It's a keyless entry push button start, so you don't need the key to get in or start it, as long as it's on your person. Automatic handbrake, automatic transmission, basically 8-speed automatic transmission in manual. You've got the iPad drive move thing there. Take inside. So push button start. Quiet as a mouse. This one's covered 22,839. Don't know if you can just see that the heads-up display there's just popped up. It's hard to see on the video, but what that basically does, it stops you having to refocus on the clocks, because it looks like the speedometer's on the end of the bonnet through that one. I don't know if you can just see it, but it's a really good safety feature, that one. Dual side climate control, so if your passenger's hot and you're cold, you can alter the temperatures and have them set at different temperatures. Heated front seat, like I said, outside. You can use it as a manual. That's your little like iPad scratch pad thing, so you move it up there, it brings everything up. You've also got on there rear camera with the safety lines there, so the red line is basically where you can open your tailgate, so you can park as close as you can to that red line and you'll still be able to get your tailgate open. And as you can hear, your parking sensor just slightly bleeping. Auto lights, auto wipers. Like I said, it's pretty loaded, this car. You've got all your heads-up display down there, traction control, lane departure, front collision mitigation. Really, really nice place to be. Cracking family car, just been voted 100 out of 100 for reliability in the Autocar reliability test. So basically that means there's been no warranty claims on this vehicle. So the 5-year warranty that it has on it, maybe not needed. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you'd like to arrange a test drive or a viewing, by all means just give us a call. Thanks for watching.